So what you're going to need is a headband. I'm going to be using the black one. Some sheets of felt. I have a pink one, a black one, and a white one. And then I also purchased a sheet of foam, a white eyeliner pencil. You're gonna need a glue gun, locked and loaded, and we have some clear glue sticks and some scissors. So first I'm starting off with my pencil and I'm drawing a shape of an ear. Then I'm gonna cut it out. I am kind of measuring with the headband to see like if this is gonna be like a good size for the cow ear. So basically trace that and make it again. So I'm basically taking the white felt and I'm kind of just cutting out the same shape. Originally I was going to do the front and back, but then I was like, no, one side's gonna be white and then the other side is gonna be pink. So the inside of the cow ear is gonna be pink, the outside's gonna be white, and then we're going to later take the black and cut out some shapes of the cow print. With my white eyeliner pencil, I am just kind of drawing out the cow print shapes on the black felt. I looked up on Google like some of the shapes. And so I'm just gonna cut them out. After I cut them out, I am going to now glue them onto the white part of the ear. I feel like when I look at it, it looks like a Dalmatian print, but once I have the whole outfit together, it looks really good. So now you're going to want to go ahead and take your headband and you're going to go ahead and glue the ears to the headband. I wish I would have like angled it like a little bit more so that way you can see the black and white when I'm wearing it like forward, but it's okay. I tried to remove them once it was glued. Like this headband is really good, like they stayed on, so I couldn't remove it and it would have just been more effort, but I really like how it turned out. Then I also picked up some baby's breath flowers from my local grocery store and I'm just gonna wear it with it. I'm not gonna glue the flowers. You can also buy fake ones, but I wanted real ones. So like I said, I am going to be taking my bobby pins and I'm going to be pinning the flowers onto my headband, and I really like how this turned out. I hope you guys try it. If you do try it out, let me know how it went for you guys. And that is the final look. I hope you guys really liked this DIY, this Doja Cat inspired outfit slash costume look. The ears were super easy to make. If you guys try it out, definitely let me know in the comments below. Also, go ahead and comment a cow emoji down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Bye!